Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a game with you. This is a strategical game and you can earn indefinite coin. That coin is CBM. Okay, and now how you can earn those coin. This is basically crypto brew master game. Means you have to create your beer and you have to sell it to the market, then you will get some coin. I've been playing for last 1 week or maybe less than that. I earned 4.59 CBM, but at first I didn't have that much knowledge how to earn those money, but now I got few idea about how I can earn more money with the product I have. Here few things I need to discuss first, then you will understand a bit. First thing is, this is CBM coin. This is a Hive cryptocurrency platform. This is from a Hive platform. So whatever CBM you will earn, you will sell it to the exchange and you can get Hive or even USDT in respect of that. But 4.59 is very less, so it's not sellable at all. Now this is the coin you can buy thing, and you can, when you will sell, you will get the coin. This is energy 10. Right now I am having 10 energy. The benefit of this energy, that whenever few things are there, well, I'm showing you, there are few things you can just get it for free with your energy. Suppose this is natural lager yeast. This is for 12 energy only. You don't have to pay any coin. And another is good LE yeast, that is 14 energy only. You don't have to pay any coin. Another is good wheat malt for beer shop. This is for 24 energy. And one thing is most important, that you will get maximum 24 energy per day. How you will get energy? After every hour you will get 1 energy. You can see that it is decreasing. So when it will get 0, then another hour will start and it will show you 11 energy. Okay, now I am going to show you some other things. This is backpack. This is the products or ingredients you have in your backpack. While you will log into this game, or while you will register for the first time, you will be provided 10 cards, from which you will create some beer. And after that, when that beer, that cards will be used, then you have to produce that ingredients by your own with the help of either energy or coin or both. Okay, there are some strategies I am going to share now. First, I am going to show that this is one of the beer I have created. This is I will claim it. Now you can see it in backpack. I have claimed. And one thing I am showing to you, that what the ingredients is required. This is water, add water. This is fermentables, I don't have right now. This is bittering hops. I have 1 ingredients out of it. I have another ingredients, aroma hop, and yeast I don't have right now. So I have to somehow get at least 3 ingredients to produce my next beer. And there are 3 samples of beer you can produce, so you have to find a way how you can get it. Here you can see that yeast, the Ali East is required for Bella beer, and it is in my store right now. I am having it, but I don't have the rest of the things. I have aroma hops, I have bittering hops, but I don't have fermentables here, and 2 water, 20 power of water I need. So where I will get it? First I am going to show you how to sell your beer. Well, here is 4.59. I got this beer. Clicking on it, what you can do, you can sell it to the pub or sell it to the market. If you sell it to the pub, you will, I'm clicking, you will get 4.65 out of this beer. Okay, and if you, oh sorry, one second, if you sell it to the market, you can make your, yeah, here European lager 5.19 is the best price, so you can sell it with your own choice of amount, and the maximum is 5,555 will be the maximum amount. So look, people are selling their beer at this rate, so you can sell your beer at any rate, whatever you think you may sell it. That's your choice. You may sell it to the market or you may sell it to the pub. But here the point, that how I will get that ingredients. Here in market, if you click it, you can see you can buy some ingredients. Either you can buy it from market or you have to grow it from your daily task. So you can buy your malt, 2 raw barley malt, local bittering hops, you can buy it, but whichever you can produce with free of cost. Here I am showing you in the pub, I have produced one natural local aroma hops. I am claiming it. Yeah, here I am claiming I just used only 8 power. Now I will use my power to produce another something. Is there? No, today I produced local aroma hops, local bittering hops and good brewing water that cost me 2 power of energy and 0.2 CBM. Now I have to wait for few hours. Literally it needs 12 energy. Right now I am having 10 energy. So technically I need to wait 1 hour and 15 minutes or so. So it will be 12. Then I can produce another set of what I can produce. Yeah, I can then start natural lager yeast. I can start producing. Okay, now I am going to sell my beer and showing you live that how I can get my money. Well, I am selling it to the pub. Here is the 4.65. I am selling it. You all know that how much I have right now, 4.59. So I will get addition 4.65. Now it's selling. I sold. Yeah, you can probably heard some news, some noise that I got a coin. Yeah, 9.24. So it's clear, and I will give you my referral link so you can join and you can start playing this game and start earning. It's a bit of fun, but eventually I think it will give you some good amount of money when you can see that it is not yet fully completed game, they are becoming more and more popular when every day. So when it will be a very popular game, the market price of CBM will be high, and if at that moment if you got that much of good amount of CBM, then you can sell it to the market and you can earn some good profit. So don't waste your chance, it's a good chance. And there are a few more things. If you like this video, if you want to know about this, I will definitely let you know the other strategies. So of course, and if there are any new things comes, I will definitely share with you. So till then, bye bye, and I wish don't waste this opportunity. Let's start today. As it's not costing you anything, it will take only 5 to 10 minutes per day, and it will not take any money from you. Rather, it will produce some money and you may get some benefit out of it. Bye bye, enjoy, see you.